What if your money could work for you, even while you sleep? That's exactly what crypto makes possible in 2026. And no, you don't need to be a trader. You don't need to stare at charts all day. You don't even need a finance degree. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 proven ways that everyday beginners are making money with cryptocurrency right now. Let's get into it. Method 1, HODLing. This is the simplest strategy, and honestly, for most beginners, it's the most powerful one. HODL means buying a cryptocurrency, usually Bitcoin or Ethereum, and holding it long-term, no matter what the market does. Bitcoin has rewarded patient, long-term holders consistently over its entire history, despite brutal short-term drops along the way. You're not trying to time the market. You're betting on the long-term trajectory. Simple, boring, effective. Method 2, staking. Staking is how you earn passive income on crypto you already own. When you stake, you're locking up your coins to help secure a blockchain network, and the network pays you rewards for doing so. Think of it like a high-yield savings account, except the blockchain itself is paying you, not a bank. In 2026, Ethereum pays around 3 to 4% annually, Solana closer to 6 to 8%, and you can start with any amount, no minimum required. Method 3, crypto lending. Platforms like Aave and Nexo let you deposit your crypto and earn interest as other users borrow it. It works like a bank, except the yield comes back to you directly. Stablecoins like USDC typically offer the most predictable returns here. Just be aware, centralized lending platforms carry risk. Stick to regulated, well-audited names. Method 4, yield farming. This is a step up in complexity, but the potential returns are higher. Yield farming means providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and earning a share of the trading fees in return. There's a specific risk here called impermanent loss, which we'll cover in a dedicated video. But for now, know that this is a legitimate income stream for those willing to do the homework. Method 5, airdrops. Airdrops are free tokens, distributed by blockchain projects to users who simply used their protocol. The Uniswap airdrop in 2020 gave away tokens worth over $10,000 per eligible wallet, for free. How to position yourself? Use new DeFi protocols, participate in testnets, follow reputable airdrop trackers, and always protect your wallet. Never connect to unknown sites. Method 6, crypto rewards cards. This one requires zero crypto knowledge. Cards like the Coinbase card and Gemini credit card let you earn Bitcoin or other crypto on every single purchase you make. Groceries, subscriptions, travel, restaurants. The amounts are small at first, but they compound, especially if the price appreciates over time. Method 7, day trading. I'm going to be honest with you here. Most beginner day traders lose money. Crypto markets run 24/7. They're dominated by algorithms and institutions with massive information advantages over retail traders. If you're drawn to trading, start with a tiny amount you can afford to lose entirely. Use paper trading first. Never trade with borrowed money. Day trading can be part of a strategy, but it should not be where you start. So, which method is right for you? If you're brand new, start with a rewards card and HODLing. If you already own crypto, add staking for passive income. If you're comfortable with DeFi, explore lending and yield farming. If you're tech savvy, position yourself for airdrops. The smartest approach? Combine 2 or 3 of these methods. Manage your risk, stay patient, and keep learning. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Crypto Insight for weekly updates. And visit crypto-insight.net for the full written guide, with step-by-step breakdowns of every method we covered today. The link is in the description. See you in the next one.